Hi, George.
Where are we going, babe?
We're going to a secret waterfall.
Off the beaten path waterfall.
Yeah.
It's not really that well known.
Not even GPS knows it.
It's called Big Sand Falls.
Don't tell anybody.
Bob's got his climbing gear on.
Yeah.
Climbing Bob.
Yeah. It's literally in the bush, like there's no signs or anything. You just need to know where to pull over, and then you walk through a really hot field and then down an incredibly steep forest slope.
It's like a ravine.
Yeah. And it's hard to get the dogs down there, so we have to put their harnesses on and leashes.
What else, babe?
That's it. This is the entrance to where you walk down to the secret waterfall. As you can see, there's no signs or really anything to point it out at all besides this little path that if you even slightly blinked, you would miss. Just drive up the big mountain as you just saw through the windy hills and dirt roads to here. And is that number 4 sign? Was that there before?
I think it's new. It's for logging.
Oh, yeah. All right, here we go.
You got the leashes?
Yep.
George. Sit down.
My Sherpa?
Can
I carry something?
Where's the leashes?
I have them.
I'm good.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yeah.
I have one leash in my pocket and one's in that bag.
George.
It's really hard to capture how big and beautiful and majestic these mountains are here. Thanks, Joji. New territory for Joji.
Come on, sit down.
Wow, this is stunning. You can already hear the waterfall. Not much of a path, hey?
There's no path. Come on.
There was at the beginning, it tricked you. Good job, Bob. Maddie, are you making it? Okay, come on. Good boy, buddy. You can certainly hear it. Can you see it?
The water's really high.
Like we might not be able to get down there?
Yeah, we will.
Are you sure?
But look, like you can, I don't think we can even see it like this last year.
Oh my gosh.
We had no runoff last year. No snow.
Listen to that.
So we're at the entrance to the falls. It's like a bit of a ravine. It's very steep through here. Come on, Joach. So I went down about 10 steps, and you can see Michelle's way up there. That's just that's the easy part. Whoa! Joach, good girl. Okay, go. Let's go. Good girl, Joach. Don't pull me. Good girl, go. Hey, babe.
I gotta concentrate.
Good girl, Joji. Easy. Easy. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Good girl. Yeah, it's ridiculous. Nice legs. I don't think Bob needs on the leash. He's like a billy goat.
No. Safer.
Oh,
She just keeps sitting.
well, it's good. She's not pulling. She knows it's like, she knows it's treacherous. Just a wee bit steep, hey babe?